It's 100 bucks in a PSA 10, but is ours good enough to grade? Under the microscope, I saw a little bit of paper fraying, but without the microscope, this defect is not visible. And as we move down this first edge, things are looking really good. There's no signs of paint chipping or edge whitening, and everything looks very consistent as we continue forward. That edge passes the test. Now let's take a look at this corner. I thought I may have spotted some exposed fibers, but nope, this corner looks perfect.
Yeah, baby!
From this angle, there does look like there might be some exposed fibers, but we were just zoomed in really close, so we know that's not the case. The top looks good. Let's examine this final edge and then we'll check out the surface. This edge looks really nice too. And when we compare the border thickness to the other side, they're very similar, which means the centering on this card is on point.
Oh, yeah.
The rest of this edge looks good. Let's see what this corner looks like.
Not bad.
The bottom of this card does look to have a little bit of an uneven cut. However, you can't see it without the microscope. Now let's take a look at the surface. So the blacklight does exceptionally well at revealing surface scratches and roller lines, and that's exactly what we're looking for here. And if you're wondering what they look like, they're perfectly straight horizontal lines that go straight across the card. Kind of like this.
No!
Sorry about my finger, but right here you can see more roller lines. And a couple of these actually look like they could be some minor surface scratches. And these are definitely roller lines. By far the clearest example we have on this card. And as we keep examining the rest of the surface, you can see many more roller lines. This is definitely going to hurt the overall grade. Under the microscope, the corner looks but without it, it looks great.
It's all coming together.
And I'm really happy with how this edge is turning out. If the only defect are those roller lines from the front, I think I'm going to send this card in. Alright, that edge looked great. The corner looks wonderful as well. And as for the bottom edge, looks great to me. Now here is where I noticed the problem. And you must be wondering where, because this edge looks great. And I'm not talking about these roller lines. This border is significantly thicker than the other side. And when we get it under the centering tool, we're going to see what the difference actually is. And that's pretty much it for the edges and corners. Now let's take a look at the surface with the blacklight. You could see some faint roller lines right here between the edge and the interior border. And the centering from earlier is not as bad as I thought. You can see the left side is right on the 3, and the right side is just outside of it, putting it right around 50-55.
Not bad. Not bad.
Right here you can see another roller line. I started to follow it across the card, and it ended up leading me straight to some minor surface scratching. Now because of all the surface defects we found, I usually wouldn't send this in, but I think I'm going to anyways just to see what PSA grades it.
Yeah, baby!
And I'm going to go ahead and give it a final GOOM'S grade of a 9.